A leader is one who command and demand respect. He is first among equals. He is able to take his team along with him to achieve the objectives. Hello and welcome all once again to super special curtain raiser episode of BNI Ahmedabad Gala Award Night 2020. Presented to you by Heritage Infraspace.
First of all, congratulations for all the STs who were in the tenure and they served very well. The best thing which I did is we had almost 7 events. Other than that, we got a kitty of 1,40,000 and I gave a kitty to the incoming LT. I gave 4,60,000. So that was the outstanding thing which I saved money. Other than that, I have done 7 events in which only the social of the BNI Prometheus was left. Other than that, all the events were covered. So this is what I feel which I did for the chapter, and now our chapter is a cash rich chapter right now.
What you think you did that stood you a lot from the others?
Being on the LT itself was a wonderful experience. So congratulations to all the treasurers who got an opportunity to take that position. Apart from that, the events were little different because we did Women Entrepreneurs Day, which was quite different for Atlas. We did cooking competition, so that was quite an experience for everybody because men are used to, some of them are used to cooking in their kitchens, but going out competing with fellow Atlans was a beautiful experience. And we did a cricket social as well. So
fantastic. In fact, I like to congratulate and I like to tell everyone that the co-chair of Manali, both are nominated for the race of best president and best vice president, and your vice president also told the same thing, that in your tenure you did the women empowerment
yes.
thing, and that was a fantastic idea and I'll congratulate for that.
One of the event I remember, night in Vegas.
Very nice.
That kind of social we done, and over there we put casino from Mumbai and live casino. Over there 6 or 7 table are there and सब लोग casino खेल रहे थे. वहाँ पे kids के लिए भी अलग था.
So that you mean by saying making money for the members? Whoever is going to become a treasurer next, or whoever is watching this, that job of treasurer is not just to save money, is to double the money, and by doing that creating a valuable event.
अपना पैसा यूज करना होता है तो हम इतना नहीं सोचते, लेकिन ये पता चला कि जब आपको कोई दूसरे का पैसा यूज करना होता है तो कितना टेंशन होता है, कितना सोचना पड़ता है. That's I learned over there.
And also I learned to say no when I had to. I was not good at saying no, and as a leader I had to learn to prioritize and say no at certain places.
Giving me this position, I learned the discipline, how the things work practically, how your image and your visibility practically works when you do the work in a proper manner, and how the credibility increase when you are having the cash flow of the whole chapter.
Please share why your chapter is the best and deserve to win the showcase chapter of the year.
So, should I? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So BNI is all about doing business. So in my tenure, we crossed around 25 crores of business. Our target was 22 crores, and we did a business of more than that. So even we had this PBL, this Prometheus Business League. So we had a highest presence in the trainings as well. So trainings as well as the referral counts and the business amount of business done, I think Prometheus will be the showcase chapter of BNI in 32 chapters.
Atlas is known as the chapter of Maharathis, like, you know, जैसे भीष्म पितामह हुआ करते थे. So we have got too many Bhishma Pitamas in our chapter. Having said that, I use that particular example because he is a character of honesty and transparency and a man of word. That's what Atlas is known for.
At very first day we crossed 100 members target. At very first day we induct 8 members. Before 1 month we planned for that. After that, within 1 we see that quality of our chapter is little, we have to improve the quality. So we decided to drop some members. We dropped around 12 to 13 members and inducted. During the tenure we inducted 33 members. We'll win together. The same and definitely we will win because in same funda we all 100 members are believe.
I like to say it again, out of 72 nomination possible candidate, you 3 are nominated for best treasurer. So I have no doubt in believing and saying that you guys are the best in what you have done in your tenure, and I like to personally congratulate
Thank you so much.
and wish you best for that. Thank you very much for watching this, and wish each and everyone great performance in BGT and award night. Thank you very much.